Hello guys, welcome to Plethora Capital and thank you for showing interest in our professional forex trading program which begins next month. So if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn how to monetize your phone and your computer, if you want to learn from my institution that has your best interest at heart, then you are at the right place. So in this upcoming forex trading program, we're going to be starting with Forex trading from scratch, Forex trading 101. Like, it doesn't matter your field, whatever you study. From a science background, tech background, you have no finance background, whatever. It doesn't matter. We're starting from scratch. Okay? And in this trading program, we'll be doing this live at our office here in Yaoundé. We'll also be doing it via Zoom for those are out of Yaoundé. So what exactly is Forex trading? When you'll be hearing a lot about Forex, is it just an investment platform where you just put your money that gives you money every week? Is it somebody trading for you? Is it some abstract something? I'm here to give you a very simplified definition of Forex before we get into the source. So Forex trading is simply the buying and selling of currencies, okay? The exchange of currencies for one another. So if you're traveling, say, to Nigeria, for instance, you need to exchange a franc CFA for the Naira because you can't use franc CFA in Nigeria. You need to exchange the francs for the Naira. If you're going to Japan, you need to exchange the francs for the Japanese yen. If you're going to China, you need to exchange it or franc CFA to the Chinese yuan. So this simple exchange is what we call Forex trading. And you might ask, how do we now benefit from this? It's like any other business. Normally, you want to buy something when it's cheap and you sell it higher than the buying price, right? So in this case, we buy currencies where we know they are cheap, okay? And this has to do with a lot. Like, we analyze it, then we buy, and we're going to sell it when its value has increased, it has appreciated. And it also goes to us selling. We buy and sell currencies as well. It's not just about buying. So this is Forex in a nutshell. Buying and selling of currencies. So this is not an investment, something that you just put your money and you do nothing. Okay? So the reason why we established Plethora Capital is to give knowledge to the masses when it comes to Forex and the financial market in general. Because Forex trading is such an important industry. Okay, the financial market as a whole, but it has been misrepresented. So in our upcoming Forex trading program, we'll be starting from very scratch, what is Forex, and work right up to the point where you can start analyzing using something called technical analysis. We're going to go to fundamentals where you're going to understand how economic policies affect the value of a currency. We're talking about interest rates, inflation, the gross domestic product, unemployment, and so many other factors, and how to bring this into your trading because it is super important. We're going to look at other concepts like sentiment analysis, that is like the habits and the behavior of the human when it comes to the financial market and how they behave when it comes to managing their money. We're also going to do trading psychology, which has to do with the psychology of an individual, because no matter the industry where you are, if you don't have a robust psychology, you're always going to have a problem. Each industry has its own psychology that is needed. And when it comes to forex trading, we're going to teach you about that. Teach you about different laws you've never heard of. Talking about the law of attraction, visualization. We're going to teach you how to come up with a solid daily routine. We already have that figured out. We have that in the plan we're going to give you. And so many other things. We're also going to look at risk management because irrespective of what you do, many people have started poultry farms, started restaurant businesses, but they do not really master the risk side of that, and business failed. So no matter the business you're involved in, you need to know how to manage risk. So we're going to cover that, which is one of the most important aspects. Trading psychology and risk management, super important. And at the end, we're going to do live trading, or we trade together based on the concepts we've covered, because they are so simplified in such a way that you'll be able to execute them with no problem. Trading is supposed to be simple. Okay, it's not easy, but it's supposed to be simple. And this is what we're giving you. And at the very end, we're going to hook you up with a unique funding program you've never heard about. So if you are already a trader, you've not heard about this at all. So pay close attention. So traders have always had this problem of they not having enough capital to trade. Okay, and this goes across other industries. You have a business to start, but you don't have enough capital to start that business. And Ketura Capital, we've been researching over the last 3 years, come out with a solution to this. And we're here to announce to you that we finally found out the solution to this problem. Just over a month ago, we established a partnership with an award-winning Forex broker called Forex that have been existing for the past 17 years. They've won several industry awards. And they are here to help you accelerate your growth in the Forex trading space. So if you're already a serious trader, you're patient enough, give this time. There's no rush about this. There's no shortcut about this. If you're really serious about this, then this is the right fit for you. They give traders capital to trade. Suppose you have results. So how does this work? You create an account, a brokerage account, you verify it, you deposit your money to trade. And as you're profitable, you're consistent, respecting risk management and so on with your money, they are going to give you capital to trade at no cost. You pay nothing. Okay, this is unique. This is very different from prop firms where you pay to get accounts to trade and pass challenges before you get the funding. In this case, you get the funding, live money at no cost. So with this program, you get to start with $5,000, guys. $5,000 without paying a dime, 100% free, and you are not liable for any loss. They cover it 100%. So all you have to do is learn this skill, master it, and be patient enough. Put in the work, practice. Let us work with you. Be very curious enough to learn, to ask questions and so on. And at the very end, we're going to hook you up with this program, and you start. When you've met the criteria, you're going to start with $5,000 in funding, and you work your way up, right up to $1 million. So after $5,000, you work up to $20,000, $100,000, and so on. There are steps in which you follow to get the highest level of funding, where we're talking about $1 million in trading. You get to trade with this, and you share profit up to 90%. Okay, you cannot withdraw the money they give you to trade, but you can share the profit. So if you're interested to register for this program, if you're already a trader, you want to check out this program, click the link down below, okay, read through it and register for it. Okay, this is super secure. They've been there for 17 years. You can check them out, fully regulated broker. And we've tried them out. Okay, you're going to see a screenshot here. The very first time I got my first funding, it was very exciting. And right now we have many of our students that are also taking part in this. You can also be part of them, and you start with $5,000 and work your way right up to managing $1 million in funding. At that point, you're a portfolio manager. So for a limited time only, we're going to be giving out our training program at a 30% discount in celebration for this wonderful partnership with Forex. For this time, you're going to pay just $150,000 rather than the regular fee of 210,000 francs. What do you get? You get all this training. You get a lifetime mentorship where we usually charge $50 a month. You get that completely free. You get this funding program. We hook you up with this funding program where you can start with $5,000. And you get other documents like our daily routine manual to improve on your habits. You get a complete trading plan. I get a group. We have a dedicated Telegram group for our mentees where we train there like almost every day, and you get to engage with that. We have continuous learning that continues after this program. You get to be involved in that. We organize that using Zoom. All of this, you get it for a one-time payment only for $250 or 150,000 francs. You can pay this in 2 installments to get to work with us, and at the end, you start with something that is there to help you. with RZ Select. So if you're interested, guys, click the link, the first link down below. You're going to join our WhatsApp trading community, the free WhatsApp trading community. From there, when you join, one of our staff is going to reach out to you to explain what you need to know in order to be part of this training program. So guys, if you found this interested, do not forget to click down the link below and join our free WhatsApp community. And you can also reach out to the numbers on your screen and call for more information. And if you're in Yaoundé, you can always stop by. We are located at Carrefour Simbok, directly opposite Pharmacie de Simbok. Okay, we're located in Yaoundé at Pharmacie Simbok. So you can stop by, pass by the office, and we can discuss in person and show you more information if you want to see that. And remember, when it comes to this industry, when it comes to this business, being disciplined and patient is a superpower, guys. So see you guys in class.